Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and indie brands. Today's video is my Boxycharm Popup. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, and click that little bell right down there so that YouTube will notify you of future videos. If you're unfamiliar with the Boxycharm Popup, if you have any of the existing Boxycharm boxes, the Luxe, the Premium, the Base Box, etc., you are invited into the Popup to shop for hair, skin, makeup, beauty items, even nail polish, and everything is up to 70% off. A lot of these products are kind of exclusive to Boxycharm. They have been in previous Boxycharm boxes, things like that. It is a really good way to kind of re-up on your favorite products you've received in Boxycharm without having to pay full price. And I have found some gems in the Popup that I continue to buy over and over and over again. I will, of course, pop up the retail pricing as well as what I paid for each item. But basically, you're looking at least 50%, I see, all the way up to 70% off. So we're going to dive in. And some months I go pretty ham on the Popup, and some months I don't do as much. This one's just it's a minimal order. So first up, you guys have seen me talk about these multiple times. My son and I have used these for years. It is the Sponge Gel. I got the Men's Super Buffer. And basically, it is a built-in scrubber with body wash already in it. As I have stated before, and I will continue to remind you guys of this, the first couple times you use this, if you do have very sensitive or very reactive skin, please note that those first couple times you use this, it is quite abrasive, and you may get a little bit of sensitivity from it. After that first couple times, though, it does kind of start to soften up and things like that, and they're fantastic. I feel like they do a really good job of exfoliating, cleansing. I don't feel like my skin is over dried or anything like that. And these run typically like $16 to $20, and I'm pretty sure they're like $4 or $6 in the pop-up. So incredible value. Again, I love them and my son loves them. I just ordered 2 more from the current pop-up. I also got myself one. This is the Sponge Gel in the Bulgarian Rose Body Wash Infused Buffer. I've never tried this particular scent, but again, I really love them. I caution you, again, just the first couple times you use it, go in with a less is more approach. Kind of be very delicate with the scrubbing process, if you will. So love them, continue to purchase them. Another repurchase for me. This is now my 3rd time getting these. My 2nd bottle is almost out, and I do get them anytime I see them in the Popup. This is the Tula Skincare Balanced Beauty Gummy Vitamins for strong hair, skin, and nails with probiotics. I feel like I notice a difference. They don't have a foul like scent or taste to them. A lot of products like this, that kind of aftertaste that you get, if you will, taste quite herbally or overpowering. I don't like that, but they taste really good, and I feel like they're effective, and they're like $8 versus however much. Of course, pricing will go up here, but I feel like they're a great deal, so I always repurchase them. Next up, I got a Makeup Forever Brow Gel. You guys know that I'm obsessed with the one from Milk Makeup, but they have not had that one in the last pop-up, or this one actually. So I'm going to try this one out. But it's a Makeup Forever Brow Gel Tinted Brow Groomer, and I did get it, I think, in clear. Yeah, it says 00, so I'm pretty sure I got the clear. I'm actually going to test this out really quick. I do have, obviously, makeup on my face. Oh, I like the packaging. That's pretty cool. I have not tried a whole lot from Makeup Forever. No. Okay. It has a quite large and quite kind of gapped or spaced out brush. So, those are not always my favorite. I mean, I have no brows. But, yeah, and I have no mirror in front of me. Yeah, I don't know that this is going to be my favorite. I will try it in kind of a full-on makeup application. But I'm going to tell you right now, I don't like the size of the wand. That's what she said. But nonetheless, I'm excited to try it, and it was, of course, affordable. Next up, I got a LaRouche, I'm not quite sure, little brush set. I love their brushes. We had gotten some in a previous Boxycharm. I also went to Mercari and bought that same set off Mercari. And now anytime I see them in the Popup, I purchase them. They're literally some of the best, most high quality brushes I've ever used. I am obsessed with them. So we have a kabuki brush. We have kind of a like powder brush. You could use it for blush. You could use it for setting your under eye. You could use it for highlight. And then an angled brush for your brows, detail work, etc. When I'm telling you, I mean, the weight of these is nice. The length of these is nice. The bristles are incredibly soft, but not super flimsy packed in there. They're packed nice and tight. I cannot rave enough about these brushes. I love them. So I'm incredibly happy to have this. So let's set that to the side. I lied, y'all. This is kind of a big order. Maybe I want a little ham. Just a little. Just a tiny. Next up, I got this Avant. We've been getting so many of their products, and they're an incredibly kind of prestigious, very bougie, high-end brand. So if I get the chance to buy stuff like that for cheap, I'm down. This is the Hyaluronic Argan Oil and Peony Sweet Almond Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Lord, honey, that's a name. So this is what it looks like, and you can actually see like the little granules in there. I'm not going to open this just yet, but of course it will get used. You guys know I'm literally obsessed with lip treatments, lip products, lip oils. So I'm excited to try this. Next up, we have the Dragon Beauty Dragon Glass Gloss in the shade Crystal. I know I'm not always a gloss beauty. However, y'all know I've been tiptoeing around it. I've tried a few that I actually really like, and I love the aesthetic of lip glosses, so I'm still on the hunt for the perfect lip gloss for myself. I'm going to put some of this on. Dragon Beauty is a cruelty-free brand as well, and I don't think I've ever tried anything other than, I think the like lilac color corrector from them in a Boxycharm. But the packaging I'm obsessed with. I love the packaging. So I do want to try it. I actually love this shape for a doe foot applicator, the kind of cool triangle shape. Oh, that smells lovely. Like a sweet vanilla. Ooh, ooh. That feels very nice. It feels to me just like a thicker version of a lip oil. I like that a lot. And I wanted clear just kind of for the summertime, or, you know, I could pair any kind of lip liner or anything with it and wear it more for just like moisturization or just kind of the aesthetic look of the gloss. That packaging is a freaking 10 out of 10. I love it. And it feels quite heavy and quite luxe. Next up, I got a Wander Beauty Dualist Matte and Illuminating Concealer in the shade Light. Keep in mind, I bought this like 2 months ago, or ordered it 2 months ago or a month ago. So it's supposed to have, let's see, a matte stick on one side and an illuminating liquid on the other side. So we have our matte stick. This reminds me, I want to say it was Revlon or Rimmel maybe. But I had one that was very similar to this. Their little like concealers used to come in little lipstick tubes. The only thing I don't like about these sometimes is the scent, which I'm actually not smelling anything. And they can feel almost too dense and like thick and waxy. This actually does not feel like that. Ooh, that feels quite soft. So there is the shade. It might be a little light for me right now, but that's okay. And then we also have the Illuminating Liquid Concealer. Has a smaller doe foot applicator. Oh, that is quite illuminating. That is really pretty. I will say it does feel heavy. It has some weight to it. So that is the regular one and then the illuminating one. And again, it was incredibly affordable. I love Wander Beauty. Their peel off mask is fantastic. Their foundation is one of my all-time favorite foundations. I love the brand. Next up, we have the Creme Shop, a faux real freckle stamp in black. So that is what the packaging looks like. Super pretty. Has like the little stars around it. And then one end of it has kind of like your standard liner. That actually looks quite black. And then your little star. I have purchased this before. I got one years and years ago, like an Ipsy glam bag. And I used to wear stars on my face all the time. Like that was like a signature thing for me back then. I know, y'all. But I just wanted to try it. I thought it was super cute. And of course it was affordable. So we'll see how it is. And then next up, I got these earrings. I actually got these to put like in a giveaway or something like that. Or just to have something really pretty to send, you know, just to a fellow beauty. Or just to have as like a gift idea because I thought they were so damn pretty. But they're the Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor. And they're these beautiful little earrings. And I just could not resist, you guys. I thought they were so, so stunning. And I don't always wear stuff like this. Y'all know I'm more of a, I mean, I'm wearing freaking suckers on my ears. I'm more of like, I like bold, colorful stuff. You know, I like to make a statement, if you will. But I think there's something super special and beautiful just about a classic pair of earrings. So I liked them a whole lot. I wanted to get them just to kind of put back and have as a gift idea for someone. And then last but not least, y'all know I'm obsessed with brushes. But I got this little Morphe, the M507 pointed mini blender brush right here. And then I also got this little duo fiber brush. It is the M461, I think. I should wear my glasses. The Duo Jumbo Crease Brush. But it's a really big, fluffy duo fiber brush. So I was super excited to have that. And that is everything. I don't think I went too crazy, but again, when I see stuff like this, especially for products that I've used over and over again, like the vitamins, like the sponge gels, like the LaRousse brushes, I jump on it. And I really do think that it's an incredible way to not only try new brands, to try new higher end brands, or maybe things you wouldn't think that, hey, I could afford this on a regular basis. But I think it's an incredible way to try new brands, get your feet wet with a new brand, kind of see what you like before investing, you know, $30, $40, $50+ on a product. Or it's a perfect way to re-up your favorites. Like I said, these are around $16 to $20. So if I can get them for $4 or $5 instead of that, I'm going to. So that is it. Have you shopped the Boxy Pop-Up? Was your favorite thing that I got in the box? What is something you would want to try that I got in this box? Again, all pricing and everything for the items will be posted above as I talk about each item. And if you want to sign up for a Boxycharm, my referral link is going to be down below in the description box. I thank you, beauties, and I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.